In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix theme errors on Shopify. By the end, you'll know how to safely investigate the issue, protect your current design, and test the most common causes without risking your live store. First, open your browser and go to shopify.com. On the homepage, click Login, sign into your store using your usual method, whether that's email or one of the available single sign-on options. Once you're in the Shopify admin, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Online Store. This takes you to the themes area where your current theme is listed at the top. Before changing anything, make a backup. Next to your current theme, click the three-dot icon to open the menu. Choose Duplicate. Shopify will create a copy of your theme, which is a safe restore point if anything goes wrong. This is an essential safeguard when you're troubleshooting. Now return to your current theme and click the option to edit the theme. From there, open Edit Code. This brings up the theme's code editor with folders for layout, templates, sections, snippets, and assets. Carefully check for errors in the code. Shopify highlights many liquid syntax issues in red and will often show an error message near the line that's causing the problem. If you recently edited specific files, start there. Common culprits include theme.liquid, section files, or snippets that were just added. Read error messages closely. They often mention a missing tag, an unmatched bracket, or a misplaced comma. Make small, reversible checks and avoid saving large changes all at once until you understand the error. When you've reviewed the code, head back to the Shopify admin page. If you installed something recently, especially an app that modifies your storefront, go to the left panel and turn that app off. Many apps inject code into your theme, so temporarily disabling the app is a quick way to see if it's the source of the issue. This doesn't delete anything, it simply pauses the integration so you can test. Finally, check if the problem has been solved. Preview your storefront or refresh the live page to confirm whether the error is gone. If the issue clears after disabling an app, you can contact the app's support or re-enable it after adjusting its settings. If the error persists, you still have your duplicate theme as a backup, and your code review will help pinpoint the next file to inspect. That's it. You've learned how to access your theme, back it up, inspect code safely, isolate recent changes, and verify the fix with confidence.